Assalamu alaikum little believers. Do you know the first beautiful word we say before starting anything? Yes, it is Bismillah. Let's learn together in a super fun way. Repeat after me. Bismillah. Great job. Now let's say it all together. Bismillah. Let me tell you a short story. Ali wanted to eat a yummy apple, but he forgot to say Bismillah. Oh no, he felt something was missing. Then he remembered, I should say Bismillah. He said Bismillah, and guess what? His apple tasted even sweeter. So, little believers, remember whenever we eat, drink, play, or start writing, we say Bismillah. Let's play a quick game. When I show an apple, you say Bismillah before eating. When I show a pencil, you say Bismillah before writing. When I show a door, you say Bismillah before going out. Are you ready? Let's go. MashaAllah, you all did amazing today. Now remember, before eating, drinking, or starting anything, always say Bismillah. Allah Hafiz, little believers. See you next time.